SWHM18 hydraulic pile driver. The SWHM18 hydraulic pile driver is mainly composed of a hydraulic impact hammer and the SWHM18 electric hydraulic crawler pile frame. The maximum impact power is 270 kN and the maximum stroke of hammer center is 1.5 meters. The SWHM18 electro-hydraulic crawler pile frame can be adapted to many types of hammers, and single construction of prefabricated pile can be up to 15 meters. Environmental protection and noise reduction. Low noise designed. The unique seal design of hammer raising cylinder is adopted. The sealing performance is increased by 20%. The cleanliness and reliability of hydraulic system is ensured. Convenient transportation. With the rear reversible mast design, the main body, mast, and braces can be transported as a whole.